All right, so for this project, I built a React Native app. WatsOnSale is a pre-existing application that has a iPhone, Android, and a website. It currently has about 50,000 monthly users that I outsourced to build to this project a while ago. I had a team in India that was working for me, and I decided, like, let's see if I could do this myself. So I built a little prototype of the app. I think it's like 95% there. I feel pretty confident in it. The iPhone version is running really well. The Android one has some bugs in it. But yeah, I'm really excited to, finish it up. So when you refresh the page, we'll just load it up. It starts off, Yussel is sad. Add stores to your favorites to make him happy. So you click on Browse Stores. This pulls all your nearby stores. There's about 100 stores over here. WatsOnSale is about like your local deals. So like what the groceries put in like the circulars. So we put it up on the website and the app as well. So let's say I like this store. So I click star, add it to my favorites. Then I'm going to add that one. Then I realize I actually don't like Gourmet Glot, so I'm going to take it off. But yeah, so you can see over here, it has your deals in the favorites page. If I add another one, again, now I decide I like Gourmet Glad again. So you go back here, and now it has Gourmet Glad as well. You could pull to refresh. It says how long it's valid for. You could call, email, or go to the website of the store. You guys might remember this from last time. Cool. And then also you could like do a search. So let's say you do a search for Kosh. Wait for it. The API is a little bit slow. How's everyone doing today? There we go. It even has fuzzy search. Do you mean kosher? And then you could add from here as well. So let's add that. Cool. And now I have Empire Kosher here as well. If you go on the iPhone app, which is also working, I have it running natively as well. I don't know if anyone could see it, but what's cool is you can like pinch and zoom the images on the favorites. So you could like go in like that, and you could do that stuff as well. Some of the interesting things that I learned on this project was like how to really manage state in like a way that like has a good UI. For example, favorites, when it loads, it takes a minute to like show your stuff. So originally it would have Yussel again over there. It would say, because it would show, if I would check, is there any favorites? And if there are no favorites, show Yussel. But there are favorites, they just have to load. So I had to like put in like extra pieces of state to be like, hey, this person has favorites, they just didn't load yet, so don't show Yussel again because he actually does have favorites. So that was interesting. Also, to all the API calls, I don't know if this is the right way to do it, but I added like a piece of state called fetching, and like it was a Boolean, true or false. So like, let's say an API call is happening, I don't want to do like more API calls during that time, or I don't want to do that same API call again and again, like by search. Where you're typing a search, I don't want it to search every time you do a key press. So instead, I check if it's fetching. If it's fetching, I don't do another API call. And then I wait for it to resolve, and then I'll like do another API call if necessary. So that was one of the interesting things I learned on this project. Yeah, that pretty much covers it. Thank you very much, guys.